Hello everyone, I am Shashikant Karale from Jai Hind University, Purse. Firstly, I want to thank you, Isha ma'am, for this nice session, presentation skill. From this session, we learn objectives, fundamentals of presentation skills. In presentation skill involve various aspects such as structuring your content effectively, engaging your audience using visual aids appropriately, practicing delivery, and refining your speaking style. These skills will be very useful in your day-to-day life. So thank you, ma'am, and Visible Learning for this useful session. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kamruzama Pinjari and today we have here for the training session conducted by Mrs. Isha Khanna ma'am, and we have a training session on presentation skills. So today I would like to thank on behalf of everyone to ma'am Isha Khanna for conducting our training session. Today I have learned tips and tricks about how to be a presentation sheet, how to be a PPT, how to organize a presentation slide, what content should be in the slide, and how should we organize our slide, and how should we present in front of the group of people, what quantity and what quality of text we should or put in a slide, so the body gestures, and then what kind of voice modulation we can do in a presentation. These kinds of tips and tricks I have learned today. I would like to thank Isha ma'am for conducting the session, and I like her gestures, the activities which she take in between the sessions to make sure that we are engaged in the sessions, and I like the presentation.